Next to beer, this is one of the most popular beverages in the world. We are talking about coffee. Are you one of those people who can't start the day until you have a cup of coffee? The power of a good coffee is the unmistakable combination of smell and flavor, together with its subtle, invigorating effect. You must have heard that coffee gives you energy and helps with weight loss, right? Coffee does boost the metabolism, but its effect is limited. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, 3 to 4 cups of coffee per day helps prevent coronary diseases, Parkinson's disease, and type 2 diabetes. Besides that, the beverage also decreases waist circumference, one of the biggest causes of heart issues. It happens because, according to the researchers, coffee significantly reduces the increase of glucose in the blood and also insulin resistance, which happens in type 2 diabetes. But how does coffee influence appetite and satiety? It modifies the production of hormones known as ghrelin, leptin, and peptide YY. These 3 are also responsible for our mood. Are you enjoying the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with the coffee lovers you know. You have certainly noticed that when we are hungry, we get a little angry too, and most of the time after eating, the feeling goes away. It all has to do with that saying, a full belly and a happy heart. According to the study, the link between coffee and satiety may be due to the fact that it decreases hunger and leptin and ghrelin and increases satiety and the peptide YY. This condition only lasts 60 minutes after ingestion or during the 2 hours our body takes to digest. However, to get all these benefits, you must drink black coffee without any sugar or cream. And remember, using only coffee won't help you lose weight, and its excessive consumption may cause intoxication. Pregnant women must avoid coffee since caffeine increases the risk of premature birth. The key to lose weight is to eat according to your nutritional plan. This way your body won't be asking for more food. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.